So now that our data is all nice and uniform, we can start kind of manipulating this visual representation. That whole data cleaning process is a really good habit to get into, just so you understand what's happening with your data before you start manipulating it and kind of like looking at the visual description of your data. You don't want to be working with data that you don't quite understand, right? So let's go ahead and start adding some more dynamics to this map. So let's go into category and we'll categorize these by city. So now each of these address points is colored according to the city that it corresponds with. So let's make this bigger than he is currently. And we'll go into layer one. This is one of my personal biggest pet peeves when people have a legend and it's not titled. This doesn't mean anything to somebody who doesn't know what any of these cities are, right? So let's go ahead. Remember, whenever you're presenting data like this, I mean, yes, technically you're presenting it to your supervisor in this situation, but you always want your stuff to be, you want to be able to show this to the general public and have somebody understand it, right? So let's name this city names. And then we are going to go ahead and right click on this. Let's edit. And then our categories, let's make them like a font size 10. Let's do a little bit smaller. Let's see. There we go. So now all of these are visible within our legend. So we can shorten this up a little bit. And then I just don't want that scroll bar there. And then we can just move him down into the corner. So that's how we can go ahead and clean that up, and we'll continue manipulating this in just a moment.